Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is Gobat and Penny. So over here we discuss about the Indian benchmark indices in accordance with the global cues. So without any further ado, let's just quickly jump into the Nifty chart. Let me just bring it up for you. So these are the levels that we have been marking from 2 days, I believe so, and been updated in the spreadsheet that we are preparing to. So after yesterday's action, I updated the market analysis for S3, and I'll be attaching the link also for your reference. You can check it out in the top info card on the right side. But let's just come into today's analysis. And so the first resistance would be for us 15,820 approximately, then followed by 15,900 and 15,975. And on the downside, 15,729, 15,720 levels look good, followed by 15,676 and 15,600. So these are the major supports and major resistance for intraday levels, and the broader range still remains intact, 15,450 on short term and 15,975 short term. So those ranges are still intact, and today is Friday. Also, the fresh series of July is starting. July is a huge month because the last week of July expiry is 29th of July. Today is 25th, so that's approximately a month and 4 days. So, I think we have 5 expiries coming, and so July seems to be a good month in terms of expiry. The premiums might be in action. Since the premiums are pretty low, we can see good price action that's going to happen in the coming days. And I believe it's going to be a volatility and also volatile days coming ahead. So that's quickly on Nifty. Let's quickly jump into what's happening around spreadsheet also. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet that I just quickly, the same levels I updated over here also, like we discussed. So let's update the description. So Nifty chart still in range bound mode unless a clear break comes on either side. It will turn as range bound volatility. Breaking all-time high will lead to a quick up move towards 15,975 for a test. Yes, that's what we can make out completely from our analysis, right? Okay, let's quickly jump into the OI stats for Nifty. See where we are present. So like we always say, first day of expiry, OI stats don't really make much sense. But seeing the OI stats on face, 15,700 seems to be a very good support with put writing increase compared to call writing. 15,800 it seems to be a tug of war happening, and 15,900 seems to be a good resistance. So it's again a narrow range of 200 points and 100 odd points on either side from the present level. So that's about Nifty's OI, and unless some data comes in, additional data until Monday evening or Tuesday morning in the coming week, we can't really make much sense of OI, at least on weekly expiries on the first day. So yes, keeping that aside, let's quickly jump into SGX Nifty and also see what's happening in that area. So this is SGX Nifty, and we are trading around 15,842 currently. So let's quickly jump and look into July future where it closed. So starts July future. Nifty. Okay, so we have July future. It's 839. So sort of, I think we are opening around flat with just 3 points up. So that would be around flat opening or plus or minus 10, to be honest. So that's about Nifty. Let's quickly jump into Bank Nifty also and check it out. So Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty futures, right? Okay, so yesterday was good action in the ending movement, but it still sort of ended in a lower range note. Let's see over here also. Let me quickly remove these drawings. So that's about erasing drawings. Yes, okay, we are good. So in Bank Nifty also 34,937 level. That was yesterday's. Couple of days ago, that was the high, and yesterday's high was 34,935. That would be the first resistance, followed by 34,827 as 34,827 and 750 as initial supports. Yes, we are starting on a narrow range, but we need to see where we head towards today. So in terms of intraday supports and resistance, I believe that 34,524 to 35,300 is a good range to trade in. That's 35,281. That would be approximately 800 odd points, 500, yeah, approximately 750 odd points. And currently, from the closing where we closed, that's 300 and 400 on both sides. So those would be the levels for further price action. Until then, there wouldn't be much of an the premium play. So that will be interesting to watch out. Keep an eye open for that level. And let's also quickly jump to the OI stats and see where we are for Bank Nifty. My Chrome is still acting up, so hold on for that. Okay, so 35,000 just heavy call rating. It's almost the double of puts. It's almost thrice the puts, 2.5 times. And 34,500 seems to be a good support for BN. Also 34,000 is a good support. So 34,500 on upside is a good resistance. 35,200, 300 like we just discussed would act as good resistance too. So that's a very quick short note on Bank Nifty OI stats. So let's also update that over here. So the first sentence would be the same, and side 34,525 and downside, 35 to 80 on upside. We will remain intact with range bound moves. This is an area of premium erosion, so keep an eye. Okay, so that would be the level. So the first support for us would be 34,751, 34,661, 34,525, 5, yeah, and resistance would be 34,937, 35,075 I believe, and 35,280. Yeah, those are the supports and resistance very much for today. And with this, let me just end the day's analysis and keep you posted if there's anything that is critical which comes up. But if there's nothing else, that's it for today. Also, please post your questions in the comment section in case you have any. I would be happy to answer them all. Before going, hit the subscribe button, like, and share your feedback. I'd be happy to address them all and would happily incorporate if need be. So that's it for today. Have a good trading day. Also a good Friday. Thank you. Bye bye.